Well, now, the tribunal investigating bribery claims against recently retired Supreme Court Judge Phillip Tunoi is set to hear the testimony of its last witnesses tomorrow. And now our reporter Murimi Mwangi explores the legal intrigues surrounding the life of the tribunal after Tunoi's retirement.
After losing a bid to block his retirement at 70 years before the Supreme Court on Thursday,
there is a lot of arguments both sides.
72-year-old suspended Supreme Court Judge Phillip Tunoi is now staring at a retirement with a tainted legacy. A special tribunal which is investigating claims that in 2014, the judge allegedly received a 200 million shillings bribe from Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero, is staring at an imminent termination of its sittings.
That is what I am now fighting against.
Article 168, subsection 5, pursuant to which the Judicial Service Commission constituted the Tunoi Tribunal, only relates to a sitting judge. But with the JSC having sent Tunoi on retirement and even advertised his post as vacant, analysts are divided on whether this marks the death of the tribunal.
The tribunal's work has technically been rendered what we legally call functus officio. This process was to seek his removal via the action of the Judicial Service Commission. So that work has already been done.
When he ceases to be a sitting judge, then the tribunal ceases to have to exist, or so to speak, to have powers to investigate him.
But lawyer Bobby Mukangi, who sat in the committee of experts that drafted the 2010 Constitution, however, argues that the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the Director of Public Prosecution can take up the matter should the tribunal cease its sittings.
The Honorable Justice may also feel that because, as he said, he wanted actually the tribunal hearing to go on, and why it is in public, because he wants to clear his name, he can sue the people who accused him, maybe for defamation. He can go to court and seek other further action.
It will be a waste of public resources and an infidelity to law and the Constitution to continue investigating Justice Tunoi when now he is a private citizen and is not acting as a Supreme Court judge.
Confronted with an imminent end to the Tunoi Tribunal, many argue it's probably time for the EACC and the Director of Public Prosecution to dust the notes and take over the investigation in the event that the Tunoi Tribunal ceases to sit from Tuesday. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.